Hello students, today we discuss how to create a ledger in Tally ERP 9. Okay, first we open the Tally and create a company. This is the company information message box. This is called Alt F3. Press Alt F3, then you can go to create company. First I write the Visual Enterprises. This is the company name, and previous class we discussed about this. It is a fillable form, state, pin code, then all data you enter this page, but mind it, the Indian currency symbol, it also rupees. This is the Indian currency symbol. Okay, then click on accept, then yes, then you find the gateway tally message box. This is the gateway tally message box. Previous class we discussed the master part, voucher part, report part and a display. This is the balance sheet. First you check your balance sheet, and now we go to the account information, and it has two options, group and ledger. First you click on ledger, then create. Now we write the case. When you write case, you show this is the message box already exist, means duplicate entry. So we go to the alter option, or you can display also, and go to the alter option, click on case. Alter means change or delete. You can also delete. This is the under is more important. Case under means case in hand. Okay, case ka under, case in hand. This is the case in hand option. Then press enter and write a balance. I write 1 lakh and accept. This is the case. And next, check the balance sheet. You can show this is the current assets. Current means this is the tangible current assets. Okay, cash, bank, etc. That is called current assets. Then next, ledger we enter the furniture, or we can second we write the laptop. This is called fixed assets. This is called fixed assets. Is under is fixed assets. Fixed assets means it is the intangible. Okay, then again we write the furniture or table, chair. This is called fixed assets. It's under also fixed assets. Then give a rupees. Now we give 25,000. And next we write AC, air condition. Then this is the this under is also, I also write the Samsung AC. Okay, and this under is also fixed assets. And now we write the 25,000. Now we check the balance sheet, press the escape key. Okay, then go to the balance sheet option, report part. Okay, balance sheet, and right side has two options. This is called current assets and fixed assets. Fixed assets means laptop, Samsung, AC and table chair, and current assets means case. Now fixed assets and current assets. Fixed assets means tangible and current assets means tangible and fixed assets means intangible. Okay, now we create a bank account. Create a bank account. I write SBI Pratapur. I write SBI Pratapur and give the under. Any bank account means under is bank account. Okay. Any bank name means under the bank account. So we give the under bank account. Then simply press the enter key and fill the form. Then state Odisha, pin code, account number, IFSC code. Then we write the balance 1 lakh. Okay. Now we go to the balance sheet option. This is the fixed asset and this is the current assets. Current assets means which is tangible. Tangible means during the business period which is going and coming, means this is called tangible, and intangible means fixed assets, that is called intangible. Okay. Then now we go to the profit and loss account, and also you can check the profit and loss, stock summary and display. You can find the report part. Okay, this is the display option. You can go to balance sheet. This is called fixed assets and this is called current assets. Okay.